Holi, the festival of colors. Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha are important festivals for Muslims in India. Christmas is also celebrated in India by Christians. Navratri and Dasera are two more important festivals of Hindus. There are also harvest festivals like Pongal, Bihu, Onam are celebrated in India. In conclusion, the festival of India